What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. We're back at it with the Supra. As you guys remember, last video with the taillights. We're not gonna go outside because it's super windy, but if you see it, if you haven't, I'll leave the link down in the description. Make sure to check it out. It helped a lot of people out. A lot of people were like, thanks for doing it, because people were like confused if they should do it or not. But today, we got something even bigger. As you can see, it's a full carbon lip replacement. So we kind of have to take the bumper out. So just more Supra content, I guess. So I'm gonna start off by taking out the front bumper, and then we're probably gonna take it inside because it's super windy and cold here, because it's a lot of clips that has to come out from the back. So yeah, we're gonna go inside and do it inside. So let's get started and take the front bumper off.
Just that evil eye, crosses watching over me with eagle eyes. We too grown, I don't need a beef. Go and make some cheese, don't be sending fries. Bully friends, that's a heavy price. Rather be alone than a compromise. I'm trying to be at peace with all men. That don't mean friends with all men. Oh, because I loved you. Yeah, I'm gonna forgive everything you did.
2 hours later.
Come on, bro. Y'all couldn't use a fucking pen over there.
What is it?
8. Like all of a sudden.
2 seconds later.
Alright guys, that was a bit of a work. Just a bunch of clips, screws. It's not hard, but we thought there was some bolts that we did miss at the bottom, but you just have to pull it. That's all. But the reason you don't yank it at first is because of the connectors for the sensors. You gotta unclip that first and then pull it, obviously. But bumper's out, so we're gonna take it inside and then start disassembling the rest of it. You can see the bumper's in the living room now. So the old, it's not like the stock one. He has like carbon overlays on top, but those are also held in with the stock clips. So you have to take them out completely. What I had done before was like I only took out the middle part and I thought it would be fine. But no, you have to take the whole thing out. So I did that. And then, not gonna lie, I kind of like already took this off, forgot to record. But there was 3M right here. And then this comes out. And it's still good. The carbon didn't crack or anything. Alright, so now that was just the carbon overlay, and we still have to take out the stock lip, the black part in the front. Most of you are probably just gonna have the black part. You guys don't have to do that process. But if you do have the carbon overlays, you gotta do the extra work. So now this, how does this even come out? We'll cut back after a short clip.
Doesn't mean I trust you. I won't hold a grudge, praying for you now, even if it's tough to. Jesus saved my life, could even hate you if I want to. How we gonna heal if you gon' cut me and I cut you? Pray for me, even when I ain't around.
So this piece right here, so it's obviously there. You start off from these two clips right here. I'll show on this side, it's still there. So I don't know if you could see the two little tabs, not clips, my fault. You push that out first, and this kind of sticks out, like this part right here, like goes down a little. And you literally just keep pulling after that. It's like this type of motion, like this side comes out, and this part, there's two clips right here, they're still hooked into this right there. You literally just pull it out, and that's it. Feels like it's gonna break, but it really doesn't, even though we kind of cracked one of them. Let me show you. That cracked. We don't hide damages over here, but other than that, yeah, it's fine. It's not going back anyway, but yeah, no cracks in the middle, no nothing. This part, you just gotta flip it up like this, and then there's just two clips in two corners, and you just gotta yank it out. I've been trying for a while, and I think you just gotta either pry it out or just yank it out.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so this piece just came out. This was literally the worst part. Everything else came out so easy, but this, like I was saying before, literally flipped this up, and this kind of rests. Oh my god, it's stuck again. No. So like a rest like that. But what I found easy was like you just gotta take the mesh out from the middle, and it's a lot easier to take it out. Since we have the bumper off, might as well put the paint match reflectors, because usually it comes with these. Well, even though they wrapped it, but it's usually amber. People usually black it out, but the other option is also you could get paint matched ones, which is a lot better looking. It's just 3M, so it's not that hard, but the only problem is, well, not problem, the work is you gotta take out the bumper. And after you take it out, you kind of have to take off all the 3M residue from here, or else like this won't stick properly. So I did that, and let me just put this in real quick.
Y'all run into the club, we run into the club.
we got the lip out, but there's these pins for the sides, but I'm thinking that's not going to be enough for the fitment to be good. So we're going to add a strip of 3M right here, just like how this one was. Yeah, I feel like that would be a lot better and it'll hold it properly.
I want more life and more lives that don't end. Cherish more memories, seconds I spend. All because I loved you. Yeah, I'm gonna forgive everything you did. Doesn't mean I trust you. I won't hold a grudge, praying for you now, even if it's tough to. Jesus saved my life, could even hate you if I want to. How we gonna heal if you gon' cut me and I cut you?
Alright guys, it's been a long day. To recap, the last clip you guys saw was me trying to fit the lip and it would not fit right, for the love of God. I don't know why. I don't know if it mentioned in the beginning of the video. It's a SEIBON lip. SEIBON. But people say it's like a hit and miss with their fitment. This one was not it. So we took it out. We tried a lot. So everything lines up. I don't know if lips inside. I don't want to go get it. But there's tabs that like go into the gaps. Those are fine. It's perfectly fine. Even for where it goes in this. So SEIBON has a little instruction thing where they make you cut the back so you could fold it in. We tried that, but you can't even see the tab if you cut it. Cut it for no reason. It's in the back anyway, no one sees it. But I don't think you need to do it because one of this boy did it and he didn't cut the back. And I also put, I'm pretty sure you guys see the 3M, I put the 3M tape on the corner. That should hold the corner anyway. But it's a very tight fit. The whole reason it doesn't fit is because the bottom, I mean, you guys won't be able to see it, but it's the bottom clips or like where the bolts go in, that does not line up with the bumper. When the holes in the lip does not line up with the bumper. There was a bunch of like taking it on and off, so I came to the conclusion that I'm gonna put the bumper on completely on the car and then use all our force to like push it in, because it's literally like, what is that, quarter inch off. That's about it. So this is the last try. If this goes in, that's it. If not, I'm putting the stock lip back on.
What are your thoughts about that?
Yeah.
Yeah, kick the Z for you, little.
Is it in? Is it in? That's what she said.
Gay!
I think so.
After going to that evil eye, crosses watching over me with eagle eyes. We too grown, I don't need a beef. Go and make some cheese, don't be sending fries. Bully friends, that's a heavy price. Rather be alone than a compromise. I'm trying to be at peace with all men. That don't mean friends with all men. Oh, because
This lip. This is just ass, bro. Bro, I thought SEIBON was supposed to be good, but bro, this is not it. I don't know if it's just the lip we got, but the fitment is so bad. We tried everything, and we got so frustrated. This happened. Let me get some light over here. And the bottom still didn't line up. So I just use self tappers. Yeah, but it's a tight fit. That's one thing I'll give them. It's a very tight fit. But as you can see over here, got that gap. No matter how much you push it in, I guess like I'm guessing this. I think it has to be trimmed from here, because this catches on, but the rest doesn't. But this side is fine, right? But then this flaps. That honestly, if you're thinking about doing this lip by yourself, don't. Just don't. Either if you really want this lip, take it to a shop, or else just get overlaid.
Take it to a body shop, bro.
Take it to a
collision center.
Collision center. This thing is so bad. It took us the whole day basically. But yeah, I'm gonna just finish up, drop the car.
Yo, that looks crazy.
Oh.
I loved you. Yeah, I'm gonna forgive everything you did. Doesn't mean I trust you. I won't hold a grudge, praying for you now, even if it's tough to. Jesus saved my life, could even hate you if I want to.
Alright guys, after like 6 hours I think, that's it. It looks sick. That's gonna be the end of the video. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe. And then I'm just gonna say, don't get the lip. Peace out.
You gonna heal if you gon' cut me and I cut you. Pray for me, even when I ain't around you.
run into the club. We run into the club.